Well, here I am. Bought a James's lease. I seen two big toms in the field on the way here. Pretty excited. I got a ton of gear to pack because it's just me running solo. So I've got two cameras. I've got my bow. I'm gonna take the shotgun because it's super windy. So if I got a bird that's hanging up, big tom, I want to get a bird down. So, yeah, lots of gear to carry, and it's looking good though. So we'll see what happens. The wind is just blowing like crazy up here though. So. Oh man, I wish it was a little bit calmer, but at least the sun's shining and I'm out hunting, so no complaints.
In a wild place is where we find ourselves. It has shaped us and built us into the people we are today. We have followed in the footsteps of many generations before us. And like them, we have learned how deep our roots are planted here. We have learned to persevere, and for that, this place has rewarded us. We search not for the kill, but for the memories to be made, for the love of family and the outdoors, for the adrenaline pumping wildly in our veins. This place is where we find serenity and allow for the noise of life to subside. We believe in tradition. We are Woodraven.
In case you were wondering how much gear I'm hauling, a whole lot. But hopefully it's promising, and hopefully we'll do good tonight. We shall see. There too, don't forget. So, oh yeah, lots of gear. Hopefully we get on some birds right away. I mean, it's super windy, so I'm not sure how effective calling is going to be honest. Only time will tell. But I got everything set up in a matter of minutes. Everything's set up, so I'm gonna draw back, make sure I can hit this decoy, because I put the decoy pretty close. Because I wasn't trying to get out there very far, so I'm gonna draw and make sure I can shoot over the blind edge. turkey down. Well, that's a wrap for my 2019 season. I tried taking him down with my Wood Raven longbow. I got out here, birds were way out. I called and called and called and nothing, and then all of a sudden, bam, they pop around the corner, here they come. I'm self-filming, so it's extremely hard if you haven't self-filmed. And super windy out here. Everything worked, they came right up in front of me. And I tried drawing on him a couple times, but there was a branch right in my way, and then he finally stuck his head out, and I went to draw, and then he turned, and he came back, so I had to shoot through these two branches, and I drew and I shot, and I just missed his head, because I'm head shooting, and they took off, and I really wanted the turkey this year, because I didn't get one last year, so I brought the shotgun, and he gave me a shot, and I took it, and I'm super happy. I couldn't be happier. I really wanted to get it with my Wood Raven longbow that I've been making, but I couldn't be happier. I'm super happy. Gonna make some turkey jerky and hopefully have it ready for the guys for their late season hunt here in Michigan. So, woohoo! Turkey down. I'm done. Tagged out 2019. Yes! Woo!